Are you tired of the coronavirus? Are you tired of
COVID-19?
Day 1,256,000 of pandemic.
We want to hear from you about what's been going on with you. Are you under a shelter in place? Are you tired of being told to stay at home? Do you have limited places to ride, or can you ride anywhere? You know, the rallies are canceled. They're not being able to go to rallies, and we're not really making trips. It's just really limited on what riding we can do. We can ride around here, no problem. Can't ride in big groups, and the big thing is we've canceled all of our trips. Let us know what's going on with you. Do you have trips planned? Are you being able to ride where you are? Are you in some state where they're still locked down and you can't even go out for an afternoon putt?
Pandemic or no, we can get some riding in.
We're still being able to work. It's a little bit more difficult, the logistics, with half the people working from home and half working at the shop. I am definitely ready for this pandemic to be over.
Just get out and ride!
You have anything intelligent to say?
Do what?
You have anything intelligent to say?
No, can't think of nothing.
The video you just watched was made about 2.5 months ago. By the time we got it edited and ready to release, the pandemic looked like it was winding down and everything was going to be okay, so we just never came out with the video. But now in the last month, things have gotten worse. Things are tightening up more. We're having supply chain issues again. So we went ahead and edited it a little, added this little ending to it. And just please give us some feedback on what's happening with you, how it's going for you, what your opinions are. And if you found the video interesting, give it a like. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And you all ride safe out there.